Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this today's video I will discuss about the SAP BTP. Actually I am going to start a new series on SAP BTP platform. So in this today's video actually I will try to give you a clear concept about the BTP and actually what is the different type of accounts, and in the next video I will try to deploy a new application. So in this today's video let's start with the big picture, actually how it is connected with one another. So first of all, the main thing is that global account. So this global account actually, that is the main billing accounts. So under that global accounts we have to create some sub accounts. So you have only one global accounts, and under that you have many sub accounts, and under that sub accounts you will have that space that is like, that is called dev or development space. And that development space actually you have to deploy your application. So you will have different application, so like application 1, application 2, application 3, something like that. This 1, this 2, this, for example, you have 3 applications. So these all 3 applications you have to assign under the dev space. So like that is the on dev space. So for example, you have on dev space and you have like 3 applications. So in the same way, if you have like, you may have that 2 dev space, so you will have the total actually that is the scale up, so you can increase your space. And like this dev space 1 and dev space 2, and this dev space actually that would be the under sub accounts. So this on sub accounts, this another sub accounts. Okay, and the same way you will have on global accounts. So actually you can see now how it is connected. So you will have that global accounts. Under global accounts you will have the sub accounts, and under the sub account you will have the space. So this space actually you will have that on kind of computer. So you will have that CPU, memory, something like that. So here actually you have 2 depth space. So basically you will have that 2 virtual computer or 2. So for example, your CPU like that is the 4 CPU, and memory that is the 8 GB. And the same way you can have that 4 CPU and memory like 8 GB. And these sub accounts like that depth space you can use like for the, this space you can use for the development purpose, and this dev space you can use for like the quality purpose. So for example, for the CPU it can be 4, for the quality you can use like 8, and memory can be used 16. And same way you can use as a so for example, like it can be, so for example that can be used as a PRE purpose, production purpose. But these, like, so as that is the dev space, so it will have that another, like that is CPU 18 and memory for example 32. So that can be under these sub accounts. So now you can see, like basically they are on global accounts. So that is the on, so basically all about that virtual space. So you will have that global accounts, and under that global accounts you have one sub accounts, and under on sub accounts how you can see that how you can deploy your applications based on that dev space. So everything actually under that sub account. And these sub accounts you can create 1 to n number. So you can create based on your requirements. So for example, for the finance team you can create for the all sub accounts, and for the other purpose you can create another sub accounts. But everything actually will be under the on global accounts. So if you buy the BTP platform, so actually you need to buy some service. So this service actually, like it could be for example, this service can be like HANA, it can be Java, it can be Oracle database, whatever the service you can buy. And this service, and also you are buying the resource like CPU, memory, everything you buy. So when you place your requirement, then actually they will set that okay, you need to buy CPU for example total 16 GB, for example memory total 120 GB. After that you need to segregate how you can use those memory in your organization platform purpose. And another thing is that region. So region is important because actually, like that is the these all sub accounts here, that is it can be like AWS. For example, this region USA, AWS, they provide only this service. And the same way probably like another service like Microsoft Azure, for example, that is like UK. So they provide some another service like here my SQL. So that is the reason if you create on service in the UK, then actually UK region, then you will not have the HANA. So this service, so that is the reason you can see that like how you can create the resource service and how is related with that region. So all service, everything will be under the region, and you can segregate based on their sub accounts, and everything will be under global accounts. And that is also related with the quota, how you can use and how you can configure this quota. And after that you will be a development environments like this. So it is difficult, like if you go to the system, then actually it will be easy for you to understand. So let's go to the system. So I am creating a trial accounts, so you have to search accounts HANA on demand. So from here you can see that account HANA on demand, so click on here. So from here so now actually you have to create a trial account. So here, for example, sign in. So this is my email address. Let it log in. So you will have that Gmail accounts, and with that Gmail accounts you can use your access like 30 days, and after 30 days you can continue. You need to just extend your trial version. So it is connecting. I'll let it connect first. So now actually you can see the global accounts, what I discussed about that that global accounts, and the region, why region is important you already know, and the different type of service, that is the service actually. So just make it duplicate so that it will be. So from here we have to create a trial version. So trial home from here. Okay, so now you can see that it is the US East AWS, and that is the Azure Singapore. That is the same concept here. So now you are creating accounts. So for example, if you go to the service, browse the service catalog. So from here, like you are using the HANA, so that is the free trial version, the HANA. And if I go to the pricing, and if I select the trial, so you can see that this service, this HANA Cloud and HANA Database, is only available the AWS East, and that is also available in the AWS East. So that means that if you select your region, Singapore, then actually you will not get this service, because this service is available only in the US East. So now actually I am select the US East, actually you will get the lots of service on that. So create accounts. So you can see that is the region is the US East, and the global accounts, that is the same concept, is that the billing address, and after that actually it will create a sub account. Now you already know that why sub account is required, because all dev space, actually the virtual computer or the development computer will be under this. So you can see the global accounts already created. these global accounts and those information is required when you set up the cloud connector or other things. So actually SAP is giving you the free all service and the development environments. So it's really fantastic. So let it be done. So you can see that on global account is created, also on sub accounts also created like this, and after that actually it will create a space. So on that space actually we can deploy our applications. So it is preparing everything. So like if you want to develop, you don't need to think about that infrastructure. You don't think about the laptop. You don't need to think or any installation. So SAP is providing everything. So it's already created, and it is also gave you a dev space, means that it gave you that full virtual computer. So you can work on that and just continue. Okay, so now it is also provides some tools. So business SAP Business Application Studio, that is the same as the Visual Studio Code and CLI command line tool you will get. So I will discuss everything. So let's start with the trial account, what the SAP give. So now actually you can see that is the global account, and under that global accounts that is another sub accounts. Under that sub accounts there is a there is some you will find that different service and space. So as I said that only on global accounts, and you will have that many sub accounts. Here only one sub accounts. If you want, you can create another sub accounts. So but now actually we will work with the on sub accounts. So if you click on that, you will find that that is the space. So depth space. So that is a total hierarchy here. So now we need to know that actually what SAP gave me. So if I go to the space, you can see that SAP gave you the memory 4 GB, and there are also different type of service. And space quota, currently actually there is no space quota, we have to allocate, and that is the org member. So currently only my email address is there, but if you want to add many users who can want to work with you or deploy applications, you can add them. Just create member and you can access them. And you will have that different type of service. So now actually this service is there already. The Business Application Studio is already there, and that is called that like entitlements. So if you want to add another service, for example, like currently there is no HANA database, but if we want like above environment and SAP HANA clouds, everything is there, because all of those services actually available in that region from where dataset is extends, like that. If I go there, so basically all that is the Amazon Web Service, US East, actually those services available. So now actually what that is the entitlements, what I said, and that is the all service. I will discuss everything. So now actually that if I go there in my sub accounts, And if I go to, so currently actually we have to, what I said that like based on that depth accounts you have to assign your memory CPU. So currently actually quota assignment, that is the by default what we get, but here, so first let's create a quota, and after that we'll assign this quota. So like create a space quota. So for example, we want to assign everything what we get. So memory, that is a total 4 GB. I want to, so name can be like dep, and after that I want to put that memory, and root, that is the 10, and service total 400, and it is total 8 GB and 20. So allow paid service is not required because that is our free trial. So I allocate everything. So currently you just plan actually, like for example for your developments what you want to assign, but you still didn't assign it because that is just plan. So now actually if you go to the quota assignment, so you will find that is the tab. So now if you space quota, and from here you can select the tab. So now actually if we go there, you can find that the quota assignment in future, for example you planned like that is no that you want to give the 2 GB, then you can assign this and automatically your resource will be the scale up or scale down. So now actually everything is ready, like but if you go to the like space, so that is the space, and after space actually you will have that applications, that is the last part of the applications. Actually here actually you can deploy your applications, and this everything is depends on that what the resource you have assigned. So now actually officially your environment is ready, and now you can deploy your applications. So that's all for today's video. In the next video I'll continue. So in this today's video I will try to make you understand actually what is global accounts, what is the sub account, what is the trial accounts, and what is the depth space, and also the quota and the reason. So yeah, let's continue with the next video. Thank you.